In this teaching unit, we are going to learn about the tools for editing and viewing surfaces. We go to MDT, Surfaces, and these tools are located in the center. We start with Edit Vertex, a command that enables us to select a vertex from our surface, where we can alter both its X, Y, and Z position, returning to the point with 0 height. Another way would be to use MDT, Surface, Delete Vertex. We do not know the height of these points, and as such, we are interested in deleting them, placing ourselves roughly in this vertex, and the same for any other points we wish to delete. If we go to MDT, Points, Edit, and insert the height, we can redo our surface using MDT, Surfaces, Insert Line. Instead of deleting a vertex, we may want to delete a line or a triangle or several lines in some cases. We re-edit the point and insert the new line again. We now go back to MDT, Surfaces, and in this case, we are going to delete a triangle. We can repeat the process using MDT, Surfaces, Delete Vertex, and MDT, Surfaces, Insert Line, but without creating a new point. We are now going to repeat the entire process. MDT, Surfaces, Delete Vertex. We then delete the points using the Delete command in our CAD software or using the MDT, Points, Delete tool itself. In this case, instead of creating or editing point by point, we are going to interpolate a series of points in this area. When we are asked if we want to destroy the surface, we say no, enter the code filling or height test, assign a known height to the endpoints, designate coordinates to randomly create our points, and to conclude, we go to MDT, Surfaces, Add Points in order to incorporate these points en masse instead of individually. We select the new points graphically, and the surface will be recreated automatically. We check the profile and see that there are still a few areas or points with 0 height, such as, for example, this area here. As you can see, the combination is practically infinite. We save it, and now we are going to delete the triangles the program has created for us by not defining a contour line. First of all, we are going to record a surface that can be recorded automatically, saving our session or CAD file, or using the MDT, Surface, Utilities, Record Surface command. We now select the MDT, Surfaces, Delete Lines, and select the ridges of the triangles outside our contour. Instead of selecting these lines one by one, we can use the combination of CAD tools using Windows, Polygon Capture, and Edge tools. Other features can be selected, because in this case, MDT is only going to identify the sides of the triangles. We right-click to conclude and accept.